Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. This petition under Article 226 of the Constitution has been filed seeking quashing of the order dated 12/3/2026, whereby the service of the petitioner were terminated without notice. Stop. Learned Counsel submits that the petitioner had served continuously for 7 years and no complaint was ever communicated to him. Stop. It is argued that principles of natural justice stood violated because neither charge sheet nor opportunity of hearing was granted. Stop. On the other hand, learned State Counsel contends that the petitioner was a contractual employee and could be designated at any time. Stop. I have heard counsel for the parties and examined the record. Stop. The impugned order records that the petitioner remained absent and his work was unsatisfactory. Stop. Once misconduct becomes foundation of termination, the authority cannot avoid a fair inquiry by merely describing the action as contractual disengagement. Stop. Even a temporary employee is entitled to procedural fairness when allegations carry civil consequences. Stop. No material has been produced to show issuance of notice of consideration of reply. Stop. The file also does not indicate that attendance records were supplied to the petitioner. Stop. In these circumstances, the action suffers from arbitrariness and cannot be sustained. Consequently, the writ petition is allowed. Stop. The impugned order dated 12/3/2026 is set aside. Stop. Respondents are directed to reinstate the petitioner forthwith continuity of service. Stop. However, back wages shall be restricted to 50% considering the delay in approaching this court. Stop. Liberty is reserved to the competent authority to proceed afresh in accordance with law after serving proper notice and granting adequate opportunity of hearing. Stop. Needful within 8 weeks pending miscellaneous applications also stand disposed of. Stop. Before parting, it is observed that public authorities are expected to act transparently and maintain proper service records. Stop. Casual exercise of power generates avoidable litigation and burdens the court. Stop. If disciplinary action is considered, necessary reasons must be recorded contemporaneously and relevant documents supplied to the employee. Stop. Compliance with these minimum safeguards strengthens administration and protects fairness. Stop. Since the petitioner has already crossed considerable age, respondents shall decide consequential retrial benefits as and when due without fresh representation. Stop. Copy of this order be supplied thusly on request. Stop. Parties are left to bear their own costs. Stop. Registry shall upload the judgment forthwith for information of all concerned officers and compliance report be filed within 4 weeks. Stop.